TEP made us one.
What up YouTube? I know this video is a little bit delayed. We were supposed to do this video last week, which is all about the CUSCO parts that came in for the Supra, but it was delayed. We had a lot of crazy things going on. Just want to say thank you guys for keeping us crazy busy. So now we wrapped around some free time Chupapi Muñeño? To finally get this thing installed. So right now we're going to take the Supra to Jose and get this thing taken apart. So let's do a recap, okay? This is what we're doing. Normally we do most of the performance parts and all that stuff, but since we already did it on the Supra, the downpipe, the intake, the exhaust, the tune, all that cool stuff, now we're going to go ahead and reinforce the suspension with some power braces, some sway bars, some strut tower, like types of stuff that I'm going to show you guys in the videos. Now basically what all these pieces do is help with handling on the car. I'm not saying that the car is bad at handling. It handles phenomenal and it almost drives itself, but it could be stiffer. So normally I just focus on the performance side of things and I don't really do this type of stuff, but if I want to get better in my career and learn some more stuff and open the market of things, I need to start getting my eyes open towards other things that other people are doing. So it's very important that suspension gets handled on your car as well. So that's kind of what we're doing in taking this on. On top of that, the GTR's new intakes finally came in, so I'm gonna do a video about that. So that's a head up video to go in. But nonetheless, thank you guys so much for tuning in for this video. If you haven't hit that sub button, go ahead and hit it. I'm on a daily grind, man. I'm tired. I can't put a video out every single day of my life, but we're doing it and we're making it happen. It's a dreams to reality story. Thank you guys so much for the support, like I always say. If you guys haven't checked out the streams either, go ahead and check those out too, because it's always a good time as well. Let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so we got Chris. Little Chris. It seems like they forgot the 2 Jay-Z. But we're gonna get ready to move this Supra to the back. And we got all the parts laid out. On top of that, I'm on my way to the warehouse to go get some other parts that we're gonna need that are gonna be pretty cool to install here shortly. All right, Chris, start the car. Oh, actually, let's get this stuff out of the way.
It says here that.
What does it say right there, Chris? What does it say right there?
It says that you're gay.
Oh, dang. Thanks for the love, Chris. All right, let's go ahead and get that to rolling. Yeah, pretty much. So everything's dusted. Go, motherfucker! Alright boys, check it out. We got the Supra on the lift. Our first go ahead is to get into the rear sway bar, which is going to probably be the most difficult one of today's journey. Let me give you guys a brief idea of where it's located here in person. It's just right here in between behind this. See if I can get my hand to point to it. It's right here. You guys see above? This is the main one that's going to be probably the headache. And it's going to make it a lot of fun to do, but this is behind the scenes. I do want to update the Supra to coilovers, only because the springs are cool, but I definitely want to lower the car some more and maybe throw a Tomei exhaust on here and take off the remark. I don't know just yet because I haven't seen too much reviews about the Tomei, but I know they just released it, so I kind of want to hear how it sounds first and kind of roll from there. But this is the undercarriage of the Supra. And then, like I said, we have all the other power bases and stuff to connect to in the front and the top. But we're gonna go to the warehouse and pick up those parts later as well. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Check out how busted my lip is. I've been using and abusing the front lip, man. Look at that. God damn. Yep, she's hanging on. She's a trooper. All right, guys. So our boys are already getting down to taking off things that are in the way of installing these new parts, right? Give him a But yeah, that's what he's gonna go ahead and do. I have to run to the warehouse, so I have to go get everybody's orders, so I cannot be here for most of the install part, which sucks. But by the time we come back, we'll see how far he has gone and basically with finishing and what he's able to accomplish in that time. So I have to make sure I get all these orders together and get everybody's things picked up. I cannot just stay here and watch as much as I want to. So thank you guys for the support. I'm on my way to the warehouse to get all you guys' orders together. By the time we come back, we'll see some mods. All right guys, so far into the installation part of it, we've already noticed that the rear one's gonna take a lot of work. So what we're gonna do is save the rear one when we actually get the coilovers. That way, because all the stuff that has to come down with it, you might as well install coilovers. So on the rear one, on today's video, is gonna be the hold on. But everything else is gonna be installed. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what we're gonna do next and see where we're at. All right boys, so this is the first piece that we're gonna take off, and you guys can see how this and what this is made of. It's very flimsy, meaning that when the car is trying to get all the traction, this tightens up and basically it doesn't perform well. So what we're gonna do is replace it with the CUSCO version, which is gonna make this a lot tighter. And you guys will see This is just, like I said, just thrown on there from the dealership, nothing crazy, and that's why we're going to change it. So this is the one that we're going to change today, and then the front sway bar, which is what he has opened up over there, is what also is going to get adapted to. So stay tuned for the change, and that's what he's working on right there. Show him, bro, show him.
Just bend it.
Just break it real quick. Check it out, guys. This is what we already got through to replacing. I don't know why I say we, because you guys know I didn't do it, but they got through replacing, and these clips and stuff is where that cover is going to go to cover it all. But that is what is replaced here. Knock, knock.
What's this?
Boys, back to the video. So what we did is we went to the warehouse to go load up on all the parts like I was saying previously, and we are here. Voila, a lot of special orders, but not only that, a lot of parts for our new stocking order. Right now everything kind of moves over, as you guys can see, while driving, but check it out, boys, the new intake for the GTR. Shh. But we got the other pieces for the Supra, so I'm gonna make sure I get those out so we can continue that journey. Check it out, guys. We got the front tow hook for the Supra. I do have it on the rear, but I figured I'd put it on the front. Might as well keep that theme going because the brakes are red, so I didn't mind it. We also have the base for the engine bay, which is right here. CUSCO as well, which is the other piece I need to do to finish today's install. Let's get it. Since the car is not much up on the lift really often, I want to get as much video coverage as I can. Okay, because here is the front sway bar installed right there, and then here is the one by the center that we replaced earlier. I just want to make sure you guys get enough footage and look at this because, like I said, this car is not on the lift very often. Chupapi. So that's why I want to just get you guys to see the product as close as possible. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And be able to give you guys as much footage as I can. But look at that. Looks pretty good, right? So guys, what we're doing right now is putting the tow hook on. Right there, cuz. We have to. Check it out, guys, with the final product. Ooh. Make sure you guys hit us up for all you guys CUSCO parts. Look at my hand went all like this. Like, bro, what the fuck? Looks dope. Looks hard. Now it's time to do the top part of the engine bay. Alright guys, so here is the last view you guys see of it before we put the brace on. Stay tuned for the aftermath, and next time you tune in, Mr. Jose is gonna have it installed and it's ready to go. So let's go. Check it out, the freshies, boys. Check out the fresh. Look at that. For everybody wondering if you guys want the real deal, yes, we do get it. So if you guys are real serious, we could definitely make it happen. Check out how it is. We had these wheels on the Type R, but they're really lightweight. They literally don't weigh anything. So if you guys are looking for nice lightweight wheels, for sure A1. Woo! Check it out, boys. This is where we're at. You guys can see that tow hook looks a lot better now off the lift and more room to show you guys. But this is the front strut bar, if you will, that is all connected. And what we're gonna do is celebrate it by breaking it in right now. Look at this. Oh. Woo. Got him. Check it out. Made in Japan. Looks good in the front. Check out the engine bay. Of course, we got that Downstar hardware, which is why this is all colored different. Now, mind you, it is dusty, but I'm gonna get my boys at Upscale Detailing. They're gonna all hook it up. So soon, we'll do another recap of showing you guys it when it's all cleaned up. But nonetheless, that is what we accomplished today. We finally got all those parts put together. The Supra is rocking. I love the way the color wheels look. Look at that. I just love them. I love them when I put them on the Evo. So that's why I had to go ahead and do it this time again as well. All right, boys, so that is gonna wrap. Let me try to get some better angle because I want you guys to see this. Look at that. The Supra looks better. And I'll talk down here. But that is gonna wrap an end to this video. The sun is just shining. Thank you guys all for the support, keeping us tremendously busy. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. You guys can see the inside of this. We did get the intakes for the GTR, so we're gonna worry about that next, so stay tuned with that. But now it's time to get back to work and fill all these orders. We got a lot of work to do. But just thank you guys so much for really supporting us and keeping us tremendously busy. I cannot thank you more than enough. Make sure you guys hit that sub button, hit that like button, hit the share button, and stay tuned for some more content, and let's go.